Tired of losing your keys, wallet, or backpack? The Apple AirTag 4-pack is here to end that frustration once and for all, truly making it a contender for the best electronics of 2025. These tiny trackers are a game-changer for anyone wanting peace of mind, offering unparalleled accuracy and seamless integration. What truly sets AirTag apart is Apple's revolutionary precision finding, leveraging ultra-wideband technology to guide you directly to your item with uncanny accuracy. Imagine seeing an arrow on your iPhone screen, telling you exactly which direction and how many feet away your lost item is. It's truly next-level tracking. Setting them up is unbelievably simple. Just one tap with your iPhone and your AirTag is connected and ready to go. Plus, with an IP67 water and dust resistance rating, your AirTag can handle spills, splashes, or even a quick dip without a problem, making it incredibly durable. No more stressing about misplaced essentials at home or lost bags at the airport. The AirTag's seamless integration into the Find My network makes it incredibly powerful. If you're looking to buy the best tracker that integrates effortlessly with your Apple devices, check out the link in the description for the AirTag 4-pack on Amazon right now. This 4-pack offers incredible value, ensuring all your most important items are always within reach. For anyone serious about never losing their valuables again, the Apple AirTag 4-pack is an absolute must-have purchase in 2025.